Hello and welcome to ICSE Class 8 Maths tutorial. The topic is algebraic expressions and identities. Before we start, आइए आपको एक शायर की दो लाइन सुनाता हूं. शायर कहता है, आदमी आदमी से मिलता है, आदमी आदमी से मिलता है, दिल मगर कम किसी से मिलता है. आदमी आदमी से मिलता है, दिल मगर कम किसी से मिलता है. भूल जाता हूं मैं सितम उसके, भूल जाता हूं मैं सितम उसके, वो इस सादगी से मिलता है. भूल जाता हूं मैं सितम उसके, वो इस सादगी से मिलता है. थैंक यू. The first question I have taken is, the question is x plus 1 over x is equal to 2. Evaluate x square plus 1 over x square. Second, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 over x raised to the power 4. This is the first question that I am taking today. Alright. Now, see. Question is this: x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, and we have to evaluate x square plus 1 upon x square first. Second, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4. This is the question. Okay. What is given? X plus 1 upon x is equal to 2 given. Since x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2, this is given. So that we are noting down. And now we are squaring both the sides. We are squaring both the sides. See, we are squaring both the sides. Now apply the formula. Which formula? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This formula. So after squaring both the sides, we are applying the formula here. See, a plus b. In place of a we have x. In place of b we have 1 upon x. So a square means x square plus b square. In place of b we have 1 upon x. So 1 upon x square plus 2ab. So 2ab, a means x, b means 1 upon x. So x into 1 upon x, x and x cancels each other. So ultimately we are left with only 2. Right? 2 into x into 1 upon x, 2ab. So x into 1 upon x, x and x cancels each other, and then we are left with only 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square plus 2. This is left hand side. And the right hand side is 2 square is 4. Fine. Okay. Formula used is this. So please do mention the formula. A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Alright. Now transpose this 2 from left hand side to the right hand side. So this plus 2 when goes to the right hand side will become minus 2. So one more step you can write down here before this. You can write down x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 4 minus 2. That I have not written, that you can write down. And that 4 minus 2 gives you 2. So x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 2. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 2. We got the first answer. Fine. Okay. Now for the second, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4, we are squaring this result only. What we got? X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 2. So we are squaring both the sides of this result, this equation. We square both the sides. I have written here on squaring. When we square the left hand side, again we apply the formula a plus b whole square. Now in this case, a is x square and b is 1 upon x square. In this case here, a is x and b is 1 upon x. But now a is x square and b is 1 upon x square. A plus b. A plus B. Alright? So A plus B whole square. Formula is A square. A square. But RA is x square. So x square square. That means x raised to the power 4. Plus formula says B square. But in our case B is 1 upon x square. B itself is 1 upon x square. B square means square of 1 upon x square. That means 1 upon x raised to the power 4. Alright. And plus again 2ab. That means 2 into x square into 1 upon x square. Something like this. 2 into x square. 2ab term I am showing you. 2 into x square into 1 upon x square. Alright. A square plus b square plus 2ab term. 2ab. Now a is this, b is this. So x square cancels x square and we are left with only 2. That is what I have written here. The same thing is here also. Here also the same thing. Here you will get, well here. Here you will get 2 into x into 1 upon x. X cancels each other and you are getting only 2. Is that fine? That's why I am writing here only 2 in place of 2ab. Because ab, x square cancel. Okay. Formula you can write down here. You should write down your formula. The same formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Fine. Now again when you transpose this 2 from left hand side to the right hand side, this 2 becomes minus 2. So 4 minus 2, that gives you 2. So that one step you can write down here. Fine. And then you got x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is equal to 2. This is the second answer, this answer. I hope it's clear. Okay. Now the next question is next question is x minus 1 upon x is equal to 7, as you can see. Then evaluate first x square plus 1 upon x square. Second, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4. Alright. Given is x minus 1 upon x is equal to 7. Fine. So we start with the given value. X minus 1 upon x is equal to 7. Like here we started with x plus 1 upon x is equal to 2 given. So here it is given x minus 1 upon x is equal to 7. We square on both the sides. On squaring both the sides. Now see, here I have written all these steps. Here I am writing 1 or 2 steps I am not writing. But when you write, when you solve, you please give all these steps. All formulas used, all the reasons and everything you please give. So we are squaring both the sides. You can write down here on squaring both the sides. Alright. Now x minus 1 upon x whole square is equal to 7 square. Both the sides we are squaring. Apply the formula of a minus b whole square. Here you applied the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square. Right? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here you have to apply the formula of a minus b whole square. And that is nothing but a square plus b square minus 2ab here. If you have here minus, then you have to write down here minus. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Is that fine? So the same formula I am using, which I have not written, you please write down. Where will you write down? You are using formula here, no? So here you can write down. Here you can write down. Here you can write down the formula. A minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So a square means x square plus b square means 1 upon x square minus 2ab. 2ab, as I told you, 2ab minus 2ab. See here. Minus 2a and b. So when you write down this term minus 2ab minus 2a and b is 1 upon x. So this x cancel this x and ultimately we are getting only 2. So minus 2. That's what I have written directly, minus 2. You can write down. This you can write down. Is that fine? Alright? Okay. So we got x square plus 1 upon x square minus 2 is equal to 49. Now this minus 2 we transpose from left hand side to the right hand side. That also you can show one step which I have not shown. You take minus 2 from left to the right and write down for x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 49 plus 2. And then in the next step write down 49 plus 2 is 51. Alright. So So x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 51. Again, like in this case, again we squared both the sides. So here also we are going to square for the second result. We are going to square this result, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 51. One result we got x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 51. This is one result. For the second result, we are squaring this result only. X square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 51. We are squaring both the sides. You can write down here on squaring both the sides. So when we square, we write x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to 51 square. Now, a plus b whole square formula, which is a square means x square square. So x raised to the power 4 plus b square. In our case, b is 1 upon x square. So 1 upon x square square, which is 1 upon x raised to the power 4 plus 2ab. 2ab, as I told you, 2ab. So 2 into x square into 1 upon x square. So we are getting only 2 because x square cancels x square. So plus 2. This side, left hand side. Right hand side, the square of 51 is 2601. That you can multiply 51 into 51. Again, you transpose 2. So it will give you one more step. You can write down here x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is equal to 2601 minus 2. And subtract, and then after that write down 2599. Because 2601 minus 2 gives you 2599. And left hand side, x raised to the power 4 plus 1 upon x raised to the power 4 is equal to 2599. This is the second result. Got it? I hope everything is clear. Okay then. Thank you so much. Thanks.